You know the secret that when you open a boiled eggs?
What, Mom?
Blow it inside and it comes out.
Is that what they say?
Yeah, it's true though.
You think so?
Yeah.
Rosalia's back. Everyone has been requesting you to come back, and for some reason, you've been very interested in making
Rolato.
Rotolo di Bistecca. Why are you feeling rolato right now?
Because right now I'm feeling like I'm missing my grandmother, my mom.
So this is like a back home thing.
Yes.
What is it? It's a roll of meat. It starts with hip steak. So we don't normally sell these style hip steaks. So if you are looking to make rolato, speak to one of the meat department members at our store because they'll cut it for you. And they cut it nice and wide, right?
Yes.
Because the point is you're going to lay it out and you're going to roll it.
Yes.
And stuff it.
Like a stuff
And
it.
stuff it
Yeah.
first and then roll it.
So it starts with the beef hip. What else do you need to make rolato?
First you put, I'll show you
You're going to show
after.
us. Yep.
And you put that, and then you gotta put the
meat.
meat on
Do you
top.
season the meat?
Whatever you do, Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
I usually garlic powder.
Garlic powder?
Yeah.
So you're going to make like the meat
Yes,
mix.
yes.
That's going to get laid down.
Yes.
Then what else do you have?
Prosciutto cotto,
Mortadella.
egg.
Mozzarella
Yeah,
cheese?
Yeah, I use a fresh one.
All right, so you have 2 giant pieces of hip meat.
I have ground pork and I have beef.
Okay, you want to make some breadcrumbs with the
Yes,
fresh
please.
bread?
I need 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and garlic, parsley. I just do it like this. The stem's got a flavor too, and parsley. Mix it up. You don't want to make it too hard, and you start with the layers. So you work it like this.
Yep.
It looks like a pizza.
Yeah.
Did I put Parmigiano in there? Put it on top, please. Sorry, guys. Mommy's forgetting things lately.
okay.
Okay, that's okay. It's okay. And I need eggs too. Boiled eggs.
Boiled eggs.
Boiled. We're gonna cut it up. Takes time to cook good food. But at the end, the results are good. It doesn't matter how you do it. You can do it on top of that. I'm doing it like this. Doesn't matter the way you do it. So as long as it's all in here. Mozzarella. We put the Parmigiano. Lots of Parmigiano. At the end, it doesn't matter. So now we're gonna start rolling it. This is the fun part. You're starting like this. This is hard, but I have strength. This is gonna be a big one.
Kristen, hold that side so it doesn't fall out.
Okay.
I usually at home by myself, okay?
We're holding in the meat.
This
Oh
is gonna
my
be
God.
huge. That's why I need skewers. This is old fashioned. This is 100 years and more. The Sicilian women, long time ago. We use the string, you gotta have strength. It's not difficult. I've been doing it so many times. That's it.
Okay, so that's ready.
Very
This
nice.
is ready. We'll put them in the pan. You brown it both sides. And after the thing is browned, you put it in.
So you would be making a tomato sauce.
Yes.
And then this would slow cook in that
Yes.
sauce for a long period of time.
Yes. Depends how big it is.
Yeah.
But usually between 2 and 3 hours.
So because in the interest of time, you made one yesterday. So this is what it would look like after being cut. We did this yesterday. This is definitely something you can reheat and serve.
Oh, yeah.
Because it tastes better. So we're gonna serve it with pasta. So I'm gonna boil some pasta now. I decided to pick this pasta up. You call this macaroni.
Yes, but I know how to make them.
I know you know how to make them. Let's make a plate. Pasta?
You put a bit of sauce. Parmesan you need on top.
That looks
There
good.
you go. Bon appetit.
This looks like a delicious meal. You gotta eat this at lunch so you can sleep afterwards. Good job, Ma.
Really
Very
good.
good.
Good job.
Thank you for being here again.
You're welcome.
We love you.
Anytime. I love you too. I love you too.
Love you too.
Thank you. I love you guys too.